Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. Today, we are tackling a foundational piece of information that is absolutely crucial for any physical service business, setting up your official business address. So, let's get into it. On your site's dashboard, go to Settings, and on the search bar, type in Business Info. Select Business Info Location. Over here, search for your address. If you search for it, other fields here will automatically be filled. But sometimes there are things that you also need to manually fill, especially if your address is not very specific. So, for example, your street name, the house number, apartment suite, etc. So go ahead and do so. While you're here, scroll down and take care of your contact info as well. So make sure to input your official business email, your business phone number, and if you have a fax number, input it here as well. Double check everything, make sure there are no mistakes, and once everything's all good, click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you set up your business location on your Wix site. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.